Yeah, I'm doing good. I've got a bit of a flu, as you can hear. It's congested, but the work hasn't stopped, so I'm here. Why did I choose to turn WMO into network marketing WMG? Because a few reasons. I was earning quite a bit of cash for myself and I was using it as a personal economy to fund my own trading account. And then I saw the genius of it. Instead of using other people's money and trading on behalf of clients, which can be an emotional thing, why don't you use your own money? But some people don't have that kind of wealth. So I decided we were going to create a network marketing company with a compensation plan we call the WMG economy, and it gives people the chance to make as much of the share of the economy as they want, pull it out, use half or a quarter of it on your trading account and grow it massive, and a bit of it on your real life trading. The vision for WMG is to create a global tribe of business partners and traders. These guys work together to reveal the secrets, the strategies that lead to success and creation of significant wealth. That is our vision. If I broke it down, it's a global tribe, it's a worldwide online tribe. It's two groups of people. You're either a business partner or you're a trader or you're both. And the key thing here is working together. Team, the acronym team that people use is together, everyone achieves more. When we can work together as a team, we're going to achieve everything we want to achieve. So it's creating that team spirit. And our motto is secret strategies and success. We believe we've got the secrets to the market. We believe we can also give you a strategy which has been proven and to release success. And then we talk about significant wealth. Our significant wealth comes in two ways: from trading, but if you don't have the amount of capital you need to make a lot of money, then you can also develop significant wealth on our compensation plan by sharing this vision and owning a franchise with Wealth Mentor Gold. And again, using some of that wealth to fund the trading account and then some of it to just live and enjoy your life.